Kudos for reflecting on your guiding truths. That's some heroic commitment. Below, behold your 8 muses in all their glory. Think of them as companions that will guide and inspire you throughout your 55-day quest. Your muses are ranked by their heroic influences from highest to lowest. The heroic influence percentages reflect how strongly each muse is inspired by the guiding truths you chose. Your guiding truths are also shown on the muse cards. There are no right or wrong scores here. A high heroic influence suggests a muse is likely a strength or passion of yours, so consider leaning into it during your quest. And a lower heroic influence might suggest a muse is not a strong motivator for you, but it may be an area to level up in over your 55-day quest. For example, when I started my first quest, my heroic influence for vitality was 14%. Vitality is about balancing work with fun. After serving hard time in the corporate trenches, I was conditioned to glorify the hustle, to say yes to too much. And even though I left my corporate life behind, I carried its habits with me. So focusing on inviting more vitality into my life as I climb my mountain was vital for me. I considered how I could make my work, my quest, more fun. And I made time for fun activities that my old self didn't, like playing board games and spending more time in nature. Take time to really reflect on each muse and what they mean to you as you stand at the starting line of your amazing quest. Open each muse card to explore them and get personalized guidance and reflection questions based on your heroic influences. Your next assignment is simple. As you explore each muse, click the Add Reflection Question buttons within the muse cards to save reflection questions that resonate with you. We'll use the questions you pick in the next step, and the questions you select are also listed underneath the muse cards. Choose at least 5 reflection questions that speak to you, then advance to the next step.